Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a small rotating table to showcase our products. As we know, in many videos we see a device is kept on a surface and device is rotating on a same axis. So it gives a 360 view of a particular device and looks cool in the video. So this is the same device we are going to make. Here are the some parts needed for it, and this is the main part, which is the bearing, and its model number is 608D. So all the parts are printed on Ender 3v2, and the files will be given in the description so you can print your own. So you can watch the full assembly here, and further I will show you the circuitry used inside this. So this is the circuit I am using here. So first of all you will see a switch, a type C port and a potentiometer knob, and the thing you see in white color is actually a glue stick used so that the light can pass through it. So let me explain about the circuit. So here you can see a 555 timer IC which is needed to switch the CD4017, which will actually drive the stepper motor. Here I would have used a ESP8266 or any microcontroller, but I chose here simple circuit as it doesn't need any special requirements. Also I have used a battery so it can be run without external power, and here is the switch which turns on and off the whole circuit. And of course we need a potentiometer to control the speed of the motor. So let's turn on and see how it looks. As you can see, when I turn on, the green LED turns on and it illuminates on the outer side. So now let's plug in the charger to charge the module. Currently the battery is full, so it will glow blue color, and you can see the color here. So let's do a demo test. Now you can see the motor is running. So the full circuit diagram will be given in the description. Also you can see in the video. This is how we can control the speed of the motor. You will see some white color here because when I was removing it from print bed, it got damaged. So here I fixed it with some black paper and now it looks really good. So let's do some sample test and let me know in the comment section what do you think about it. So thanks for watching the video till the end, and also let me know, would you like to make these and is it a really useful device? I hope you loved the video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel so I can bring some useful content like this for you in the future. Bye bye.